Welcome to Culinary Classroom. I'm Chef Carrie Leonard. We're here at Johnson & Wales and we're in the classical French kitchen. And we're going to be bringing to you several episodes regarding how to take classical French cuisine concepts and techniques, and we're going to make them accessible for the everyday foodie. We're going to be going over some words today, and then on each further episode, we're going to go into a technique so that you learn a technique for every episode. Today we're going to start with mise en place. Mise en place means you're completely organized. You have everything that you need where it needs to be before you start your recipe. You have your recipe, you have a pen ready so that you can take notes on that. You have read it a couple of times to make sure that you're really ready to go. That is what mise en place means, being completely ready, having everything ready to go, no surprises. Now, another item that we use all the time in classical cooking that you don't even realize is called mirepoix. This is mirepoix, and this is carrots and onion and celery, and this is a rough chop of mirepoix. You don't see this in the finished product in a lot of classical dishes, but it's there, mirepoix. We have another item that you're going to find classic seasoning in a lot of French dishes, and again, you don't see them. They're just here. This is called bouquet garni. With bouquet garni, you're adding some of these flavoring elements, which we have parsley and thyme and black peppercorns and bay leaves. You can take and you can wrap them into cheesecloth like this, and we put them right inside of a dish, and then we pull this out before the dish is done. So you really don't see all the herbs floating around. You just get that layer upon layer upon layer of flavor. That's what classical French is all about. Also, we're going to spend some time in another episode talking about sauter, what that movement is. And roux. Roux is a very important base and thickener in classical French cuisine. We're going to use it a lot in modern cuisine. We're going to make several of these. And all of these vocabulary words that I've given you are going to get you ready for all the upcoming episodes that are going to be coming your way. So, for homework tonight, review your vocabulary words. Also, next week we're going to be working with kitchen and pantry mise en place. I know you know what that means. So, join us next time. I'm Chef Carrie Leonard on Culinary Classroom.
Thank you.